Want to speak English naturally without memorizing difficult grammar? You're in the right place. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use these sentences confidently in your daily life. Let's get started.
I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. I take a plate. I take a plate.
I drink from a cup.
I drink from a cup.
I stir with a spoon.
Right.
I stir with a spoon.
I open the fridge. I open the fridge.
I take out milk.
Milk.
I take out milk.
I close the fridge. I close the fridge.
I eat with a fork.
Right?
I eat with a fork. I use a knife.
I
use a
Knife.
I turn on the stove.
I
Turn on the stove.
I fry an egg.
I fry an egg. I stir the soup.
I stir the soup.
I cut vegetables.
I
Cut vegetables. I pour juice into a glass. I pour juice into a glass. Water is boiling. Water is boiling. I wash the dishes. I
wash
wash
the
dishes. I dry the dishes.
I
Dry the dishes.
I clean the table. I clean the table.
I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove.